Hi and welcome to Eazybe. Today, in this video, we're going to look at how to add and manage multiple email accounts using the same mobile number. So, as you can see, I've installed Eazybe on my WhatsApp web account and logged into my Eazybe account. To get started, I'll click on Profiles and then Add Account. Here, I can enter the details of the new account I want to add. I'll give it a name like Virchin, enter the email, and click on Sign Up. Next, I'll receive an OTP, which I'll enter right away. After entering the OTP, I'll click on Confirm to log in directly. Then, I'll be prompted to either create or join an organization. I can get the organization code from my admin. So, I'll enter the organization code and click on Link to an existing organization. And that's it. I've successfully logged into my ECP account with 2 email addresses using the same phone number. It's pretty easy, and you can add up to 4 email addresses on the same phone number. I hope this video was informative. For more tutorials like this, please check out our playlist.
Eazybe today.